When we hear about the brand portal, the first question arises is what is the difference between brand portal, dynamic media, and asset share commons? Dynamic media is for collaboration and shared file sync with Adobe Creative Cloud applications. Brand portal or asset share commons is to share to internal and external people. Let us see them in detail. Brand portal has been described as a secure cloud-enabled service for on-demand asset distribution to internal teams, external partners, agencies, and resellers for marketing purpose. Wherein asset share commons is a technical reference implementation of asset share functionality built using Adobe Experience Manager best practices. The source code is available in GitHub. Dynamic media combines the power of asset management with rich media delivery, which means we can create, adjust, brand, and deploy interactive viewers using the what you see is what you get viewer designer. Basically, dynamic media is an evolution of Scene 7, which is also called Dynamic Media Classic. And Brand Portal is a licensed product. Asset Share Commons is an open source. Dynamic Media is again a licensed product. The second difference is customizations are very limited in case of Brand Portal. But in case of Asset Share Commons, this is an open source project. Contributions and enhancements can be done on this. In case of Dynamic Media, the customizations are very limited. The third difference is Brand Portal is used for store and deliver assets. The asset share common also falls in the same category, wherein dynamic media provides asset management with rich media delivery. Let us see what is common in all these products. So all these products can be integrated with AEM. We can have asset operations and approval workflows within all these integrations. In the next video, we will see how the brand portal looks.